Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be showing you a haul that I did at Five Below. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, two things. I had done a haul going to a local Five Below, as well as going on their website and finding these kits on there. I've been getting a lot of requests, so I just went in and tried to check both places, and I have some stuff for you today, so I'm really excited to share it with you. So what I wanted to show you guys first that is not a craft kit are these miniature, it's called micro puzzles. I have some of these from different companies and they're just the cutest things ever. And I saw this at Five Below, and of course there's a black cat on here. So I had to get it because I do have a black cat. And I don't know if anyone that's watching this has these kind of puzzles, but look how tiny they are, you guys. This is like a nice 15 minutes of fun if you're a puzzle goer. The jigsaw puzzles are so cute. I cannot with this. So I actually make these and then I take them apart and put them back. So, oh, this one got a little damaged. But stuff like that. I have another micro of Van Gogh paintings. It's so cute. But anyway, so they're there, and there's like more things other than black cats. I don't really remember. I just zoned in on the black cat one, and I'm like taking it. And that was like near the checkout, so I didn't really have time to peruse at the other ones. So that's that. Now, let's go to the kits at hand. I have two different ones. One for crochet and one for knitting. So let's get through the knitting because those boxes stand up easier when I put them down somewhere. Alright, so as you know, there is going to be a part 2 for the Wicked movies, and I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be towards the end of November, before Thanksgiving, so I am going to do these next month. And we've got Glinda. Ooh, look at her. Now, I have to say, I am working on the Halloween kits. It's from the same company. Where's it at? It's from Innovative Designs, and I just finished Mike Myers, and I ran out of yarn for that. I am starting Pennywise from it, and the instructions are horrendous. Horrendous. I don't even know where to start because the pages have page numbers, but they don't really start at page 1. So that's confusing. So, I don't know. And then Glinda here looks very complicated. So I can only imagine what kind of instructions we're going to have. But, I hope that running out of material isn't going to be a regular thing with this company. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So if I have Glinda, of course I have Elphaba. I'm Team Elphaba, sorry. I don't know why. But her storyline is just so relatable. Anyway, she looks a little less complicated, maybe not, I don't know, because she seems to be all one color. So we might have intricate detail work that might take forever. Michael Myers' hair took forever. It took an hour long, his hair. So, oh, it's a little bulbous and taped up. Hopefully it wasn't already opened. But yeah, I can't wait to do that one. So again, I'm going to be doing that around November, and depending on my workload on November, I might do these next ones in during December. So we have the Grinch. Someone had asked me for this, and they already did it, so I don't think there's any pressure for me to get it done now. But how cute! This is supposed to. This looks like the kitty Grinch if you've seen the live one with Jim Carrey in it. It's so cute. So, and it looks fairly simple enough. So we'll see. And it looks like it's got the plastic eyes. Anything felt that I've been getting with them has not been great. The felt stickers are just so flimsy. Alright. So if we have the Grinch, of course we're going to have Max. Cute puppy. Cuter than the Grinch. A little bit more complicated too. So hopefully it's not. But looking forward to doing that as well. And then, of course, I do have to get back to the Disney Nightmare Before Christmas. I still have to do the mayor and Santa. There is Jack Skellington as Santa as well on there. But I don't know if I'm going to do him in that. Maybe. We'll see what the workload is. Because obviously I already whipped out 2 kits that I'm going to save till December. And then these next 2 I'm going to save, so that's already 4. But we have Nightmare Before Christmas in 5 Below, you guys. I saw this online and it was only pick up at store only. So it's like, whatever. So I didn't get it. And then when I went to a store, they actually had it. So I was like, alright, this is a sign I have to get it. Now, if you had not catched my Nightmare Before Christmas videos, I had done all these characters for up till January, and I did it for my sister's birthday because she loves Nightmare Before Christmas. And by that point I was already Nightmare Before Christmas out. I said I do not want to do a single Nightmare Before Christmas ever again. And I realized I still have, like I said, 2-3 characters left on the book. And then now I got these. So these ones are probably going to be I mean, I'm not going to put anything past them because these crochet kits do take a while. But I hope that these take a lot quicker than the ones that I worked on. But that dress, oof. I remember someone asked for a lefty. I got to do a lefty video for that. But trying to construct Sally's dress was a nightmare in itself. So, I don't know. I can only imagine what this one is going to ask us to do. But how cute is that, you guys? Alright. So, of course, if I have Sally, they're going to have Jack Skellington. Yay! And he looks a little weird. Detail work is a little crazy, so who knows what that's going to be like, but cannot wait. It'll be fun, hopefully. Alright, now for the knitters out there, because I do have requests. I have a list. I am doing Halloween kits now, but when I get back to those kits, I have to go in order, you guys. So, but I'm not showing it in any order, but I do have some of these on my list. So if there are any requests, I'll tack it on. If there are requests of stuff that I don't even have, again, I highly recommend that you, you know, send me an image of those instructions so that I can make that video. I can't post publicly any instructions due to copyright, so I get a lot of people asking me for the instructions, and it's not gonna happen. You can ask a live long day. It's never gonna happen. You know, I don't want to get sued or anything. But anyway, we are doing itty bitty knit kits. We've got Sweet Slice. How cute is that? Alright, I think someone mentioned this like a long time ago. I was like, I don't have it. Send it to me, never send it. So luckily I found it. Hopefully they still need the video. If not, you know, it'll be out there. Then I have Mac. Hi, Mac. This looks like the Juicy box one, the orange one that I did. So, this might be doable. No, they're all doable. But some of them I feel are repeats. They're just different, sewing together type deal. Pumpkin pie. This one I'm gonna have to do in November. So I do like to prioritize seasonal things too. Here we got berry milk. I think this one was a request, so I'll have to do this one. Oh geez. Yeah, these ones don't stack that easy. This one was another request, mocha latte. I thought I had this one, but I don't. I had mint mocha. Or mint latte, I forget. But this one I'm going to throw up on my list. Alright, the next ones I think I'm going to end up doing in December. Sweet stocking. Now, if I get through these kits beforehand, of course I'm not going to wait till December. But there's a lot, as you can see, so, and I'm only one person, so hopefully I can get, and I have a full-time job, so hopefully I'll be able to get through these quickly. But here's Mr. Ginger. And I guess these are an ornament series, the stocking, the ginger, and then this one that I do have that I thought was the mocha latte. This one is minty cocoa. Another ornament. Now, I do have the other kits that I have not gotten to yet. I think one of them was acorn, and what was the other one? And cup of tea. So when I'm done with the Halloween kits, I'm going to pick up doing those. And then I'm going to do the other requests. So you guys, please bear with me. Thank you so much for your patience. You know, again, it's just me trying to do these things. And they, you know, when I knit or crochet, it normally takes me, I'm not joking, like months. Because I don't sit there all day and just get it done. I, you know, have a lot to do, so I stop so frequently. So it's not like the best sometimes. But what I wanted to say is, now that you know what I have, and you might have those, please go out and get these markers before I start making these videos and you watch them. I really suggest that you get these because they're going to help you. They really are. They help you with stitch count and everything. They help you keep track of where you are in the project. So again, I highly recommend that you get these. And they sell them in packs, maybe for a few dollars. You can get them online at a hobby store. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so that's it for my haul. I hope you've enjoyed it. I don't even know how I'm going to take all these pictures. But I guess I can do that at some point, some other time. I don't know. I have to find time for everything. But at any rate, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I also wanted to mention I am holding a special NFL giveaway on my original channel. I wanted to share it with you guys because the prize I think is going to be very helpful to anyone that ends up winning. There's going to be 2 winners. There is the nail winner and then a craft winner. And they're going to receive a bunch of goodies. They're going to receive a gift card, and then they're also going to receive a 1-hour virtual session via StreamYard. You can look up StreamYard, where you put your phone, something like this, on your work surface. You can show me what projects that you're working on that you're stuck on, or if you just want to learn one-on-one how to knit, how to crochet. Also, if you are inspired to start your own channel or already have a channel and need a little bit more help, we can just do that as well. But yeah, so in the description box, I will leave the link to my original channel as well as the rules. And it's every week. It's going to be every week until the end of the regular NFL season. So, and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.